Stall.
Rupture.
Okay, we can phase in 3 seconds.
Big rock energy.
Just start phasing now.
Big rock energy. We missed 2 rocks. What? 3?
Wait,
What?
Damage.
What the fuck just
Oh,
happened?
it's a bug.
What the?
What?
Only the strongest.
Wait, bro.
What? No, it bugged on all 3 of our rocks. We were all on it.
Yeah, but is it because we faced at the same time?
No, that shouldn't matter. What the fuck is that?
This game's so
That
stupid. I'm
cannot
looking
be
up.
correct.
I'm
Wait.
looking up.
Yeah, I'm out of here.
What?
It's so great.
Wait, that's actually the cringiest shit I've ever seen. What? Wait, I was for sure on mine. We're all on ours.
I have one theory.
Big rock energy, bro.
Unless Sendo press AMS,
But then that was
No,
just